Hello class 10. Today I am going to start with the structure of the heart and the circulatory system consists of heart, vein, arteries and capillaries. Now first one is heart, the main part of the circulatory system, the pumping organ, that is heart. The heart is location not on the left side, but it is so felt because during working the contraction of the heart is most powerful at this ending and giving a feeling that the heart is on the left side. Now position, where it is situated in the body, right in the center between two lungs and above the diaphragm. Where it is situated, right in the center between two lungs and above the diaphragm. Now second, covering of the heart, that is called pericardium. Pericardium is a membrane, double walled membranous covering called pericardium. It is a double membrane structure, double membrane, and it contains lubricating fluid that is called pericardial fluid. That is called pericardial fluid, which reduce the friction during heartbeat and protect it from the mechanical injuries. Now covering and fluid, the double membrane covering, that is pericardium, and it consists of lubricating pericardial fluid which reduce the friction. What is the function of this pericardial fluid? It reduces the friction during heartbeat and protect it from the mechanical injuries. Now size. The heart in adult human is about the size of closed fist. Fist means like that, the sponge, that is called fist, and 12 centimeter in length and 9 centimeter in width, and protected by a membrane, double membrane, that is called pericardium, and contains the fluid. This is called pericardial fluid. It protects the heart from the mechanical jerks, friction during heartbeat, and protect it from the mechanical injuries also. Now next one, chambers of the heart. Before we start this one, now let's see this diagram. See here, basically heart, suppose this is heart. Basically heart vertically divided into two parts, left side and right side. Left side and right side, and horizontally it is divided like this. This one, upper region always auricle or ventricle is auricle, and this one is auricle. This one is ventricle and this one is ventricle. Upper two are auricle and lower two chambers are ventricle. Now suppose this one is left side, so it is left auricle, this is left ventricle, this is right auricle, and this is right ventricle. Now heart contains four chambers: right auricle, left auricle, right auricle, left ventricle, right ventricle. Now suppose this is heart vertically divided into two parts, left and right, and horizontally divided like this, and four chamber. It contains four chamber, left one called left auricle and left ventricle, right one right auricle and right ventricle. Upper two are auricle and lower two are ventricle. Okay, clear? The heart consists of four chamber, two upper atria and the two lower ventricle. The atria is also called auricles and have thinner wall. Arteries have, auricle have thinner wall. Why thinner wall? Because the major function is to receive blood from the body and pump it into the very next ventricle. इसको ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं होती. सपोज ऑरिकल में ब्लड आया और इसने सिर्फ वेंट्रिकल तक ब्लड को पंप करना होता है फ्रॉम हेयर टू हेयर, तो इसकी वॉल्स क्या होती है, थिन होती हैं, बिकॉज इतना प्रेशर डेवलप नहीं होता है इन ऑरिकल. सो ऑरिकल हैव थिनर वॉल ड्यू टू their major function is to receive blood from the body and pump it into the very next ventricle. Now ventricle have thick wall. Why? Ventricle have thick wall. Ventricle की thick wall क्यों होती है? बिकॉज जब वेंट्रिकल पंप करता है ब्लड को तो फ्रॉम हार्ट टू डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी, फ्रॉम हेड टू टो, फ्रॉम हेड टू टो उसको पूरा फोर्स से ब्लड को पंप करना होता है, इसलिए उसकी वॉल पे प्रेशर एग्जर्ट होता है. अगर उसकी वॉल ब्रस्ट ना हो, इसलिए उसकी वॉल क्या होती है, थिक होती है. Ventricle have thick muscular wall because they have to pump blood to long distances. The right ventricle pumps blood only up to the lungs for oxygenation, but the left ventricle pumps it up to the farthest point in the body, such as up to the toes in the feet or up to the brain against gravity, and so its wall are thicker. Clear? Auricle have thinner wall. Why it have thinner? Because it is work only to receive blood from the body and pump it into the very next auricle ventricle. And why ventricle have thick wall? Because they have to pump blood to long distances. Now see here the structure of this heart, structure of heart. Okay. Superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. This one right atrium. Okay. See, this is the structure of the heart. Now all of you know it, upper two part are auricle and lower two part are the ventricle, and position it is tilted towards the left side. So during the heart contraction of the heart, it feels it is on left side, but it is on the center, in the center right part and between the lungs and above the diaphragm. See, here is the structure. This one is aortic arch. And this one superior vena cava. What is the function of the superior vena cava? Collect the blood from the upper part of the body like head, superior vena cava. This one is inferior vena cava. This is right auricle. And this one here, it is left auricle. Here right ventricle, left ventricle, and here left pulmonary artery, right pulmonary artery. This one left pulmonary artery, and this one right pulmonary artery. Here right pulmonary veins, two are right pulmonary veins. Here left pulmonary veins. Okay. And this is left part is left atrium. The veins and arteries on the heart, on the wall of the heart, that is called left coronary artery and right coronary artery. Now here this is the diagram given in your book, but it's suppose, see here what happened. See, this is heart. Upper two chambers are auricle and lower are ventricle. This one is right part, this one is left part. Right auricle, right ventricle, left auricle and left ventricle. Now यहाँ पे blood लेके कौन आ रहा है? That is superior vena cava from the upper part of the body, and this one is superior vena cava. It collect the blood from the upper part of the body, और किस में डाल रही है? Right auricle में. And this one is inferior vena cava and collect the blood from the lower part of the body and pour it into the left auricle, right auricle. Both. It is here on the back side. It arises from the back side. It does not pour this blood in it. No, it's not. It pours blood into the right auricle. Now, what happened after? When it contains deoxygenated blood from the part of the body and pour it into the right auricle, and it pour blood into the right ventricle, and on the base of the right ventricle aorta arises. This one, pulmonary artery. This is pulmonary artery or pulmonary vein. It is pulmonary vein. And from this base it goes to the lung. It goes to the lungs and purifies or oxygenate blood there and come back with the help of the pulmonary vein. With the help of pulmonary vein, it carries oxygenated blood and it carries deoxygenated blood. That is pulmonary artery. And here oxygenated blood, and it left auricle pour their blood into the left ventricle, and aorta from here, it arises from the aorta to different part of the body, this is the simple plan of the circulation of the blood. Now, blood vessels entering and leaving the heart. Blood vessels entering and leaving the heart. The first one is anterior vena cava. The first one is anterior vena cava, or also called superior vena cava. This one, first one is anterior vena cava, also called superior vena cava, brings deoxygenated blood from the anterior or upper region of the body, including head, chest and arm. Second one is posterior vena cava, or also called inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava is this one. Brings blood from the posterior or the lower region of the body, including abdomen and leg. This one, posterior. And blood vessels leaving the heart. It goes to the heart and it's leaving to the heart. First one is pulmonary artery. It carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs for oxygenation from the right ventricle. Right ventricle से कहाँ जाती है? Lungs में. That is pulmonary artery. It carries deoxygenated blood and goes from right ventricle to the lungs for oxygenation. Now second is pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood from lungs to left auricle. It comes inside. Now next one, and 4 pulmonary veins from each side. 2 goes each lung. The pulmonary veins brings oxygenated blood, and the atrium receive 4 pulmonary vein. 2 from each lung. 2 lung से left lung से भी 2 आती है, right lung से भी 2 आएगी. Now next one is aorta. It is not from this section, it is from this section, that is pulmonary vein. It comes In heart it goes. Now second one is aorta. Aorta arises from the left ventricle, and carries oxygenated blood supply to the all parts of the body. Okay, so now here two blood vessels entering into the heart, that is anterior vena cava contain deoxygenated blood, posterior vena cava containing deoxygenated blood, pulmonary vein it carries oxygenated blood. And comes from from each lung. And blood vessels leaving the heart, that is pulmonary artery and aorta. Pulmonary artery arises from the right or ventricle and carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs for oxygenation. The aorta arises from the left ventricle and carries oxygenated blood to supply it or to the all part of the body. Now what is coronary arteries? What are coronary arteries? Coronary arteries, two coronary arteries, one from right and one from left, arising from the base of the aorta, that is coronary arteries are two, one from left side and one from right side, arising from the base of the aorta, arise from base of the aorta, rise from the base of the aorta. These supplies the heart muscles. When there is a blockage in any coronary artery or in any one or more of their branches, there is deadening of the corresponding area of the heart muscle, leading to myocardial infarction, that cause myocardial infarction. What is myocardial infarction? Means these coronary artery, one from left side and one from right side, arises from the base of the aorta. These supplies the heart muscles. क्या supply करते हैं? Blood to the heart muscle. And when any blockage in any coronary artery or any one or more of their branches, there is deadening of the corresponding area of the heart muscles, leading to myocardial infarction or an heart attack in popular language. Myocardial infarction also called heart attack. कैसे पड़ता है heart attack? जब हमारी जो कोरोनरी आर्टरी है, जो हार्ट की वॉल पे ब्लड को सप्लाई करती है, और उसकी जो कोरोनरी आर्टरी के अंदर अगर कोई ब्लॉकेज हो जाता है तो वो एरिया क्या हो जाता है? जिस एरिया पे वो ब्लॉक होता है वो एरिया डेड हो जाता है. एंड दिस in biological term it is called as myocardial infarction. It is also called heart attack. The cardiac veins collect blood from the heart walls and pour into the right auricle. What is angina pectoris? This is one and this is one is second. What is this? Angina pectoris. It is the chest pain due to the insufficient supply of the blood to the heart muscle. This is called angina pectoris, and this one is myocardial infarction, also called heart attack. In myocardial infarction, when blockage occur in the coronary artery, and why coronary artery? क्योंकि coronary artery क्या करती है? हार्ट की वॉल पे ब्लड को सप्लाई करती है. अगर उसमें ही कोई ब्लॉकेज हो जाएगा तो हार्ट का वो एरिया, वो मसल जिसको ब्लड नहीं मिलेगा, तो वह एरिया क्या हो जाता है? डेड हो जाता है. दिस कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड मायोकार्डियल इन्फ्रैक्शन. नाउ सेकंड वन इज एंजिना पेक्टोरिस. दैट इज कॉल्ड द it is a chest pain due to the insufficient supply of the blood to the heart. जब हार्ट में प्रॉपर ब्लड सप्लाई नहीं होती तो चेस्ट पेन होता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड एंजिना पेक्टोरिस. नाउ हार्ट अ बैंक कैशियर. व्हाई हार्ट कॉल्ड एज अ बैंक कैशियर? व्हाई heart a bank cashier? Heart a bank cashier because a bank cashier handles so much money every day, but what he can use of for himself is only the salary he gets. It is not similarly true for the heart. It handles so much blood every minute, but it can use only that much which it gets through coronary arteries supplying its muscular wall. Okay. Now next one is valves. What are valves here? Valves regulate the flow of the blood in a single direction. हमारे घर की पानी की टंकियों में भी हम वॉल्व लगाते हैं ना. क्यों लगाते हैं वॉल्व? ताकि जो पानी ऊपर चढ़ता है वो रिवर्स में नीचे वापस नहीं जाए. उसी तरह हार्ट में भी वॉल्व्स होते हैं. वॉल्व्स ओनली अकर इन वेन्स, नॉट इन आर्टरीज. वाई? क्योंकि वेन्स में क्या होता है? डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड होता है. इट इज़ वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर द बॉडी. अगर वो वापस आ जाएगा बॉडी में तो इट कॉज सीवियर कंडीशंस. बट आर्टरीज में वॉल्व नहीं होते हैं. क्यों नहीं होते हैं? क्योंकि आर्टरीज में ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड होता है विच इज़ नॉट हार्मफुल फॉर द बॉडी. So only veins contains only valves, not arteries. Now here 4 type of valve present in our heart. That is, first is right atrioventricular valve. Right atrioventricular valve, also called tricuspid valve. ये 3 कस्प होते हैं. कस्पिड valve. Now next one is left atrioventricular valve, also called bicuspid due to their structure. See, tricuspid have 3 flaps like structure and bicuspid only have 2 flap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it is tricuspid and it is bicuspid. And third one, pulmonary semilunar. Why it is called semilunar? Because it is of half moon shape. That is called semilunar. Pulmonary semilunar valve. Semilunar valve. And fourth one is aortic semilunar valve. See here from the name, right atrioventricular valve located at aperture between the right auricle and right ventricle. See here, this is heart, right part, left part, auricle, ventricle. Now here, right atrioventricular valve. It is present located between the right auricle and right ventricle. It is located here. Right auricle and right ventricle. This is first one. Right atrioventricular valve. Second one is left atrioventricular valve. It is present here in bicuspid shape. It is in a tricuspid shape. It is a second number. It is present here between the left auricle and left ventricle. Second is pulmonary semilunar valve. It is at the base of the pulmonary artery here. Pulmonary artery arises from here. At the base of the pulmonary artery, this is third one. Pulmonary semilunar valve. This is third one, pulmonary semilunar valve. And aortic semilunar valve, it is at the base of the aorta. This is aorta. At the base of the aorta, this is fourth one, aortic semilunar valve. Okay, what is first one? This is called right atrioventricular valve, auricle and atrio and ventricular on the right side. So name as right atrioventricular valve. It is located at the aperture between the right auricle and the right ventricle. It has 3 thin triangular leaf-like structure like this, flaps or cusp, and therefore it is called tricuspid. Chordae tendineae. What is chordae tendineae? One term here. See, that is chordae. पैराशूट देखा है? पैराशूट को जब हम खोलते हैं ना तो उसमें ऐसे थ्रेड्स लगे होते हैं लाइक दैट ना. सपोज दिस इज पैराशूट और इसको जब हम ओपन करते हैं तो ये थ्रेड होते हैं. ये chordae tendineae is like that, similar like that, resemble with this thread. Okay, कॉडी टेंडनी क्या करता है? द एपिसेस ऑफ द फ्लैप्स आर हेल्ड इन द पोजीशन बाय tendinous cord arising from the muscular projection of the ventricular wall known as papillary muscles.